Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Social Science Geography, Grade 6, Week 1. In this lesson, we will be introducing the key words that we will be using throughout Term 2 when we are discussing trade. Please familiarize yourself with these words and study them, know them, and if you come across one of the words you don't understand, go back to the slide or to the worksheet in your book and look it up. The meaning should be there. If the word is not there, write it down on a piece of paper and ask me about it as soon as you see me back in class. That way I can give you the definition and you can write it down and add it in your book. So the keywords we will be discussing today, the first one I want to mention is trade, and it's the selling and receiving of goods. Like we see, the man is exchanging his light bulb for money. Then we have exchange, and that means to give something and receive something in return. We see the boy and the girl there swapping books. Next we have goods, and those are things that people buy and sell. Anything in the trolley is considered goods. When we swap something, we exchange one object for another, like the two ladies swapping their jerseys. When we barter, it's a way of swapping goods of equal value. You see the lady swapping her banana for an orange. And finally, value of something is how much something is worth. Continuing with our keywords, we can look at the one that's called import, and that's goods that are bought from other countries. If we buy something from China, it comes to South Africa. The next one I would like you to look at is called exports, and those are goods that are sold to other countries. If we make it in South Africa and we sell it to China, for example, it becomes an export. Natural resources are the things that we find from nature, for example, water or logs from a tree. Raw materials are resources that come directly from nature, such as coal, or you'll see there I put tree logs in for you. And then we have what we call manufactured goods. Those are the things that we make in factories, such as radios and televisions. Here I put a picture of a door that we made from the wood. And finally, boys and girls, we've got our labor, which is called our work. The last three keywords I would like you to look at is process, and that is a set order of actions that lead to a change or result, such as making a cup of tea. You start with a tea bag, throw in your water, and eventually it changes. Next, we have skills training, and that's learning how to do difficult jobs. You cannot just become a nurse or a chef or a doctor or engineer. You have to learn how to do that. Finally, we have exploitation, and that's to treat other people unfairly and unselfishly. You will see in the picture that appears that it's a man sitting on a block ordering the others to push his wagon for him. And we know that that is very unfair. Boys and girls, please study these words. You will be using them during term 2. Have a lovely day.